Hello and welcome back to our tech channel. It's disconcerting when your reliable Galaxy smartphone suddenly won't turn on properly, isn't it? Well, you are not alone. Several users have reported encountering this odd issue. But don't worry. Today, we are here to help you troubleshoot and fix this problem. Let's get started. Sometimes, our smartphones might end up with a black or frozen screen. While it might seem like your phone has turned off, it's actually just the screen that's not responding. So, how do we fix this? The first approach we are going to try is a force reboot. Press and hold the volume down and power keys simultaneously. Keep holding these buttons for about 7 seconds. Once you see the Samsung logo and feel the phone vibrate, release both buttons. If the forced reboot doesn't work, there is another common issue that might be preventing your Galaxy phone from powering on: a drained battery. Yes, something as simple as a low battery could be the culprit. Believe it or not, sometimes your phone's battery can plummet from 50% to 0% in a blink due to a software bug or an application running amok in the background. Such hiccups can eat up your battery life like a monster, and your phone may seem to be turned off. In such a scenario, the only rescue is to plug your phone into a charger. Let it juice up for a bit. This should provide your device with enough power to boot up again. In recent time, Samsung has opted not to include a charger in the box for their devices like the Galaxy S22, S23 Z Flip series or the Z Fold series. This means that you'll have to get your own charger. We can't stress enough the importance of using either the original Samsung accessories or a third-party charger and cable that comply with safe charging standards. A poor quality charger can lead to a host of issues, from slow charging speeds to overheating, and in some extreme cases, even permanent battery damage. It's crucial for the longevity of your device to ensure you are using a safe, compatible charger. Now, in my case, I use a third-party charger with a 65 watts fast charging capacity. I have personally found it to be safe and efficient, and it's given me no trouble at all. I use this same charger for powering up not just my Samsung device, but my iPhone, iPad, and even my other gadgets. But let's not forget one important thing. We must be aware that using low-quality, non-standard chargers can lead to severe battery damage. Here you can see the aftermath of using a poor quality charger. It can cause slow charging, overheating, and worst of all, permanent battery damage. Now, let's say you have tried all of these steps and still, your device won't power up. Don't lose hope yet. It's time to call in the experts. Remember, it's better to get professional help than to risk damaging your device further by attempting a DIY fix. That's all for this video. If you found our tips useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And as always, keep your devices safe and functional.